This is the big red hydraulic spring compressor. The model is RX 1500, and this compressor can be operated by using a foot pedal, and also you can hook this up to an air compressor, and this is the oil release pedal. When step on it, it will release the oil pressure. Now I'm going to show you how I changed a new strut with this machine. Unscrew this clamp. Use the clamp and hold the bottom properly. Make sure that is tight, and this has to be vertical. Raise this up. On this model, you can attach it to an air compressor or using a foot press. Set it up like this, and this has two clamps, and has to be set diagonally, and tighten up this, and also tighten up this, and make sure the clamps are hooking the spring. Same at this side. And make sure this is all tight too. When operating this machine, has to be extremely careful, and make sure the clamps will not hit the lower coil. Mark the clamp position of the spring. Now those are the marked position of the clamped position of the spring, and also this side. Now start to jack it up. Watch carefully and make sure everything is right. Now the clamp is holding strong on the spring right now. Everything look okay, and jack it up a little bit more, and keep checking on the clamps are hooking on the coils properly until you see the top plate is loosened out a little bit. So I'm going to remove the screw up here. And this is removed. And that can come out. And then now we release the spring. And everything should be loose. Then release it and I press it down, or everything come out now. Now we can remove the spring. Set up the new strut at the machine, and have the rubber insulator, the notch sitting at the lowest point, and this will prevent the coil for any movement. Align the end of the coil to the lowest part of the seat. This is the top rubber insulator, and that is a mark here. It's the end of the spring, so we have to install it at the same position. Now put the metal cap back here. This is the top part for the bearing. and make sure this bearing is free to move. Okay, and sometimes you can grease it, and then it will smooth again. If not, change the bearings. Assemble the bearing mounting bracket. Make sure the clamp is located at the marked position. Also, this side is located at the marked position. Then jack it up and compress the spring until the top come out, and then put a new nut in there. Torque this to 34 foot-pound. Now it's 34 foot-pound.